Hey guys, John here over at Byrider in Green Bay. Just want to do another used walk around of one of our vehicles for sale on our lot. So this is our 2016 Hyundai Elantra. Now this is a newer vehicle on our lot. 2016 is a pretty good year for us. And it is just a gorgeous looking car. So it's a four-door sedan. It's got a 1.8 liter four-cylinder engine. So it's going to get absolutely wonderful fuel mileage. And look at this interior, guys. Modern, up to date, nice and clean. Our service guys really know what they're doing. They do a great job. And it's just a really nice car all around. It's got plenty of room for your family. Got a back door right there. I'm 6 foot and I can fit back there just fine. And along with that, it's got plenty of trunk space. So if you want to do something with the kids, and you got something going on and you need a little extra room, plenty of room back there. Great car for sale, guys, here at Byrider in Green Bay, and a lot more for sale on top of that. So if you're looking for a vehicle that'll meet your family's needs and you're looking for something to get around this school year, now's a great time to buy. So come stop in, visit us at 2805 Ramada Way, Green Bay, Wisconsin, or give us a call, 920-455-7788. We'd love to help you out and get you in a vehicle, and we look forward to hearing from you. Have a really great day.